Welcome to Cooking for Baby and Me. Today, our featured ingredient is blueberries, and we'll be making blueberry muffins and a blueberry lemon tart. Joining me in our Morris Black studio kitchen is Dr. Jami Avellini from St. Luke's University Health Network and Chef Tony Clark. Where do we start? Let's do it.
So what we're going to do is we're going to make a little a muffin.
Okay.
So I have some quinoa flour.
Good for anybody who has celiac, gluten-free diet.
All right.
Perfect.
Some brown sugar.
Okay.
And an egg.
Just one egg going right in there.
So blueberries are a great food. It's full of a lot of vitamins and minerals. It's an antioxidant, has a lot of anti-inflammatory properties. Very well tolerated. It could be one of your baby's first foods as well, as long as you puree it out or mash it up really well for them to enjoy the taste.
So now we're going to put it in our muffin mix.
Okay.
Okay.
Muffins, every child loves muffins.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
I think people underestimate the blueberry too. It's such a small
Absolutely.
little fruit, but it's filled with so many essential vitamins.
Absolutely.
And they're also great to give your kids in their lunches.
Absolutely. It helps promote brain health. And especially in a growing child, you really need to do that as they're developing and figuring things out through the years.
So if you girls would fill these up with some blueberries.
Absolutely.
Oh, so we're just sprinkling the
Put
blueberries
them right
on
in
top?
there.
Oh, great. So that's
Okay.
it.
So we're just going to go in here. And we have one already finished.
It smells good.
That's good.
Smells
So
delicious.
we're just going to let this sit.
Okay.
So now we are going to make lemon custard. Okay, so we put a little sugar. We would take a pinch of brown sugar, just put it in there.
Just a pinch?
Like you like brown sugar. Pinch it like you like brown sugar. Okay, so then we have our the juice from the lemon, and we're going to take a little bit of the lemon rind.
Amazing. And I see over there you have some pre-made
Yeah.
tarts. So again, you can get that anywhere. They have those all over the place. And again, they have gluten-free versions. They have dairy-free versions. And
And people like to make their own, they should.
yeah.
You know, in the summertime, some people like to take it a little easier.
So again, you're just slicing the rind to small pieces.
Or we can julienne them.
Okay, Julianne. Yep.
The key is that this white part
Comes off.
will ruin everything if
Gotcha.
you don't do it. Okay, so.
So you're making a nice lemony syrup
Right.
in there.
And I'm just going to take a little cornstarch
Okay.
and a little bit of water. I have some water right here.
So you're making a bit of a thickening paste
Right.
with that. So how much butter? Just a little bit. Throw it in there. It's always good. A little bit of moderation can't hurt anybody. So you just put the sugar in here and nothing else. And
Nothing
you're just
else.
letting it melt on its
No.
own. So there's no butter in here. There's
Nothing.
no oil.
Nope. So now we have our rest of our blueberries.
So you're adding that to the melted sugar.
Then we have a little bit of this.
Some
Again, we're
cornstarch
going
and
to take a little
water.
water. So
And blueberries on their own are
By
actually
itself.
pretty low in sugar.
Absolutely.
correct?
It's one of the
So
low glycemic fruits.
They're a good superfood, low in
Absolutely.
sugar, high in antioxidants,
Absolutely.
vitamins. So you're just pouring those in the bottom of the
Mm-hmm.
tarts.
okay, so let's look at these blueberry muffins here while they're cooling off. And then the fun comes.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
great.
Okay, these look way too good to pass up, so let's try them. And we'll start with the muffins.
It's delicious.
That is delicious. That is delicious.
Well, the blueberries did the work.
Let's try tart.
I think this is fun.
Wow. Delicious.
You'll impress any guest with those tarts.